5 and now 6. Come back. Everybody change your both legs position. Another side. Left leg straight, left side. Jump tight, open arms to shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, drop your left hand down and right arm straight over the head. Your spine straight, thang lung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Left hand on your back, thigh jaisa ho, right hand up, thigh five in. Inhale, exhale, bend on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. High thigh lane, both hands up, finger lock. Inhale, down thigh. Exhale, bend on your left side. The same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. High thigh nambo banchal jai. Hold your left foot and flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Thangchen, keep your legs straight. Jantai, open arm shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, turn on your left side in the twisting. Stomach in, push your feet down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Sang 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Stomach in and push your hip down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Push swan. Forward fold. Down swan. In swan. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Janchen, open legs, go sidewise. Jantai, open arms to your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, drop your right hand down and left arm straight over the head. Focus more, your spine straight. Push your lower back inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Inhale, exhale, same on your left side. You can left arm straight or you can drop your left elbow. Gap tai chai or thang tai chai. Any one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Turn on the right side. High thigh namko banchan 5. Hold your right foot and flex your right foot. 1, 2, more try swan, your left hip down. 3, 4, and now 5. Come back. Turn on the left side. High thigh namko banchan jai. Hold your left foot. 1, shoulder align. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Tapak koi swan. Bend forward. Same. Tap chum than lung. Tap chum hobo. to bounce out. Focus on your spine straight. Focus on your stomach in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Thanjan, your legs straight. Relax your legs. Jantai, open arms. Inhale. Exhale. Twist on the left side. Sanchai. Same repetitions again. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Sun 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Box 1. Inhale, come back. Exhale, again turn on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push forward, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Junction, open leg sidewise, the second round. Tai Chi Saolu, right hand on your back. Tai Chi Lane, your left hand up. Inhale, stretch your left hand and exhale, bend on your right side. A little, keep your chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Other side. Left hand on your back, right hand up. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left side. 1, 2, breathe in. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. High thigh lane, your both hands up. Thang thigh and thang lung first. Chuk thigh or down thigh. Hit bow and thou za. Again. 5. Bend on your right side. 1, 2, 3. Thighs on also. Repeat arm behind. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the left side. TM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, high thigh small. Relax your hands. Now twist one, bend forward. Thang thigh, gap thigh, jan thigh, dang thigh sound. You have a lot of options. You can straight arm, you can drop your arms, you can open arms, you can finger lock from behind. 1, just try. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Come back. Tangent, your legs closer. Relax your legs. Jantai. Twist. Neo. Hit wow. Thauza. Sanjay. Turn on your left side. Habuk mouse one. Stomach in. Push your hip down. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Turn on your right side. Sound 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist one, bend forward. Hold your feet and flex your feet for alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Bend your left leg and the right leg just bend on the right side. 3 option posture practice here. Option 1, you can hold your big toe. Option 2, you can hold your ankle. With these 2 options, you have to be lift your leg and then keep your chest out and lean in. Khongdua, you feel difficult, put your leg front, you can hold it and then pull the leg to your side. Up. So any one option you can choose. Difficult, you can try just the front side. That's it. Enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax, come back. Same practice other side. Your left leg. Take your time. Left hand on your left leg. Hold your left big toe, your ankle, and then try. 1, 2, are you okay? 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax, come back. Tất cả ok không? Chân ok? Huh? Ok không ok? Yeah, one plan. Right side, once again, same. Try once again, the same practice. Come on. So this time, if you can, another option. You can try your right hand bit more on the right. And the same, keep your chest out and look up. You feeling difficult, Khongdua, you can practice same like before. Just we add up one more option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Other side, come on. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so relax. Good try. Hanchen. Relax your legs. Move your legs. So this time, bend your left leg under your hip. And bend your right leg on the sidewise. I'll take you back again in the twisting. We do a little odd time, so this is a bit intensive. So Tapchung Them, focus more. We are going to twist on the right side, Sound 5. Twist right, so focus more your right shoulder up and left shoulder down. Here you go, Wi-Fi lane and Chai Vai Suo. Jantai, open arms, hit wow, and then Thauza, turn on your right side. Come on. So when you twist on the right, 5, 5, 5, Sound 5. Sound 5, Sound 5, right side. Right shoulder up, left shoulder down. 1, right shoulder up, left shoulder down. You do not need to touch the ground. 2, yes, focus here. 3, use your shoulder strength. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your left side. So left side a bit intensive and a bit more challenging, but you just try to be in the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax it. Chuaso, high thigh sambo, hands behind hip. So at first, inhale, lift your spine, long leg, and your rib cage try to be lift up. And exhale, long leg, lift your hip, and try to push your hip just the front side. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. Tatkathangchan, relax your legs. Change your legs position now. Now go Chanfai and bend the left leg. Your left foot with your right inner thigh. Jantai. So now we will twist on the left side first. Left shoulder up, right shoulder down. Inhale and exhale all the breath out, and then just come in the final position. And now try to keep working on the practice. Your left shoulder up, right shoulder down. Use your all breathing. With every exhalation, you can push yourself a bit by bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side, same time. So right side a bit intensive, more challenging. Just try to stay there and focus more on the breathing. 1, use your shoulder strength, very important. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. High rise elbow, hands behind hip. Same technique. Inhale, lift up your spine, long leg, lift your rib cage, and then lift your hip with the exhalation and close the gap in between your hip and the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. Tiaktu ko ke kho. Downward facing dog. Dantai. Sorry, hold on. Thangtai, thangchen, thangu. I'm sorry. Your arms straight, your legs straight, your spine straight. 1, keep pressing your heel and your palm. 2, legs straight, lock your knee. 4, 5, and now 6. Tatka Chan Chai Lane. Lift your left leg up. 3 leg downward dog. Chan Chai Chuak. Your left leg in between your both arms. Inhale, both hands up. Just bring your palm together in the high lunge. Arm straight, spine straight, right leg straight. Inhale and exhale. Thighs warm, relax your hands. Plank pose, Chan Chai Sao, knee thumb, look front. Chaturanga or Ashtanga Namaskar, you have 2 options. Exhale. Inhale, upward dog. Press your palm, lift your shoulder, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Thangtai Thangchan, Thanglang. Chanfai Lane, your right leg up. Chanfai Chua, right leg in between arms. Inhale, both hands up in the high lunge. Exhale, Thai swung, relax your hand. Chanfai Sao, right leg back in the plank pose. Ning Thang, look front. Chaturanga, Thauza, exhale. Inhale, upward dog. Press your palm, lift your shoulder. Thangtai, Y lane, Ning lane, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, Chan Chai Lane, your left leg up. Chan Chai Chua, left leg in between your arms. Inhale, both hands up. And then just look up, the same practice, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, exhale, Thai swan, Chan Chai Lane. Lift your left leg up again. Downward dog, Chan Chai Lane, left leg up. Chan Chai Chua, left leg in between your both arms again. Inhale, both hands up. High thigh lane in the high lunge again. Exhale, your head in between your arms and just try to stretch your spine, stretch your both arms and then just try to go down as maximum you can. As long you can keep your arms and spine straight, just bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale once again, high thigh lane, your both hands up in the high lunge. And when you exhale, high thigh swan, drop your both hands down. So this time we'll go Chan Phai Lane, your right leg up, standing front split pose. Right leg up everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Here, Chup Chan, your legs together, Chua Song. Here we go, I will take you in the twist. Gup Chan, bend your legs, a little push your hip down and just Namaste on your left leg side. 1, try to give a maximum twist, both shoulder align. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Thang Chan, your legs straight, Kui Swam, bend forward. And here, Chan Chai Lui Sao, put your left leg back. Inhale, both hands up in the high lunge position. Stay here. Thang Kai, Thang Lung, Thang Chan Chai. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale, Tai Swan. Chan Phai Lane in the downward facing dog. 3 leg downward dog. One by one we'll go. Chan Phai Chua, right leg in between arms. At first, hit bow, high thigh lane in the high lunge position. And when you exhale, bend down your head in between your both arms. 1, Thang Lung, Thang Tai. 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, high thigh lane first, high lunge. Exhale, then Tai Swan. And now Chan Chai Lane, your left leg up with the standing front split pose. Chan Chai Lane everybody. Left leg up. 1, 2, 3, Thang Chan Phai, right leg straight. 4, 5 and now 6. Chup Chan, your legs together. Everybody Gup Chan, bend your legs and give the Namaste on the right side in the twist variation. Also box, so little push your hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Thang Chan, Kui Swam, bend forward. In the forward fold, Padhastasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Hit bow, high thigh lane. Both hands up. Inhale, Chap Thai. You can palm together. And exhale, Dear Chai. Bend on your left side and then just stay. Stomach in, hips square. 1, 2, 3, Thang Tai. 4, 5, 6. Hit bow, come back. Thumbs up, Dear 5. Bend on right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, high thigh swan. Down thigh sao low. Finger lock from behind. Inhale, exhale, Kui Swam. Bend down here. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Gapchan, Mokswang, Tai Swang. Bend legs, hands down, a little hip down. And Chan, Phai, Lui Sao. Put your right leg back. I will again take you back in the twist. Everybody chap thai, namaste, and drop your right elbow on the left knee and just palm together. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tai Swang first. From here, Chan Chai Lane, lift your left leg up. And now we will come in the half wheel pose. Drop your left leg on the right side and then take the position of the half wheel pose. So you have an option, one hand down, two hand down, both legs straight. You can bend both legs, one leg straight, one leg bent. Mo tai swang, hai tai swang, thang hai chan, mo gap chan, hai gap chan. And now relax. Come back. Downward facing dog every time. Thang hai thang chan, thang lu. Here we go 3 times. Deep breathing. Tatka hit wow. Thao za. Hit wow. Thao za. Inhale. And then exhale. So this time we'll go another side. Chan Phai Chuak, right leg in between your both arms. Everybody up. Chap thai, palm together, and drop your left elbow on the right knee. This is a very beginning twisting variation. 1, 2, thang chan chai, just also you can chan chai swung. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Tai Swang, Chan Phai Lane, your right leg up. Drop your right leg on the left side. And now again, take the position of the half wheel pose. Try to be strong arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang chân, thang lưng. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Everybody, Gapchan lane, raise your heel, Gapchan Mojut, and then jump your both legs in between your both arms. Tutu, Kui Swang, bend down, and just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hit wow, hai tai lane, both hands up. Chap thai, palm together. You can dan thai, finger lock. Exhale, thở ra, yên chai. 1, control. 1, breathing. 2, hit wow thở ra. 3, 4, thang thai, thang thai, thang thai. 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, exhale, Kui Swang, bend down. You can hold your ankle, you can put your palms at your feet, but thang chan, your legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Everybody Gapchan, and then little just Mokswang. So this time you have to be cross your left leg with the right hand. Tai Phai Swang, and then Tai Chai Lane, your left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chua Song. From here and bit intensive step, but we will try. Chun 5, Louis out, put your right leg back and maintain the same position in the twist. Control yourself and control the balance. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chun 5 choke again. Right leg front. Thang chân quy swung. Thang chân quy swung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit vào hai tay lên. You have both hands up. Chop tight, finger lock or palm together. Exhale, bend on the left side. 1, breathing. 2, hobble. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze one, bend down. So this is the last round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gap chan mong swung. Bend, relax. A little push hip down. And now cross your right leg with the left hand. Tai chai swung. Left hand down and right hand up. Try to maintain your legs and the hip parallel to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chun chai lui sao. Put your left leg back. Maintain the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Everybody drop your knees down and come in the extended giant posture, puppy pose. Khom giant pose, khom, khom, khom. Queen Zoe, Tata Queen Zoe. Yes? Good. Maintain your knee to hip align. A stretch for your shoulder and your upper back especially. Just stay for a while. Yes. One. Just stay there. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stop. Lie down in the chest. Gap high jump, hold high jump. Bend your legs and hug your knees. Samchai Samphai. Drop it left and right side 4 times. And now relax. Your legs straight. A little open legs, relax your hands and your eyes closed. Just the relaxation time.